My new favorite wipes are from Microbalance Health Products. These are the EC3 wipes. They have citrus seed extracts in them, which means they are proven against mold and mycotoxins. I love how I can just pull one of these out and literally clean any surface. I've cleaned my computer, I've cleaned my desk, I've cleaned the counters, I've cleaned my floors, I've cleaned the stove, the refrigerator. I mean, so many different areas have used these wipes on. They are so universal. But my favorite thing to do with them is to clean my sauna blanket. When you sweat out mycotoxins if you have mold toxicity. And so being able to use these wipes that have been proven against mold and mycotoxins, it's like just another layer of like a peace of mind and protection that I know that I am providing myself and my family. So these wipes are something that I'm always going to keep on hand now, just knowing especially how we have been exposed to mold in the past, how it affects our bodies, but also when we travel and we're out in a different area or whatever, I can now wipe down items before we bring them into the home, just in case we were in a moldy environment, to where now we're not bringing that back in. So the EC3 wipes, these are a must-have.